Let me give you an example of a formula. Let's take a look at this rectangle here. Okay. Okay. Let's say this is of width W and this is of length L. But basically L is this length here and W is this length here. Okay. The reason why we use letters is that you can put any number into the W and any number into the L. So, for example, let's say, can you remember what perimeter is? Perimeter. Remember the perimeter means the distance around something. For example, let's say you're an ant. You start here. Okay. The distance around here would be W here, whatever this length is. Okay. And then you add it to this length here. So it'd be plus L. Okay. So you're an ant. You've got to walk this distance L here, and then you've got to walk down here. Okay. That would be another W, because the distance from here to here is W. And then you've got to walk from here all the way back to your starting position. So that would be plus L again, because if this is L, then this length here is also L as well. Okay. So now, remember, this is your same entity. So you can merge the two. So it'd be 2W, and then it's like your elephant, and then giraffe. So merge all the giraffes together, merge all the elephants together. So this would be 2L. So let's, instead of us writing perimeter all the time, let's just call it P. Okay, P for perimeter. So here you have P equals 2W plus 2L. Remember, a formula is when you have one thing, blah blah blah, equals whatever over here. You can have as many things as you want over here. But a formula is when you have only one thing. So here you've only got one P here. An equation is when you have like 2P plus W equals 2W plus L. That's an example of an equation, because you've got P here and you've got W over here, and you've got everything jumbled up. Here, this is a formula because you've only got one thing, and that's 1P. So P equals 2W plus 2L. The P is on its own. There's only one thing here. So this is a formula. Okay. So let's look at this again. So we said that if we have a rectangle, and this is W here, this is L here, okay, the perimeter, which is the distance around something, is given by 2W plus 2L. So if someone gives you a rectangle, let's say this rectangle here. Now they're giving us figures now. So if this is if this width here is 3 and the length here is, let's say, 7, okay, then if someone gives you a rectangle and say, oh, the width is 3 and the length is 7, then you know that you just use this formula here. P equals 2W plus 2L. Okay. Remember that this is really W here, and this is L here. Okay. So basically L here equals 7 and W here equals 3. Okay. So now you basically put the so you can imagine it as this 2 W here. Okay. So you put this remember W equals 3. So you put the 3 into here. Okay, because W is 3. So basically it's saying 2 times 3. Okay, and then our formula is this. So what's L? L is 7. So you put the 7 into here. So it's basically well, this whole thing here is 6. Okay, plus, now when two things are next to each other means times. So 2 times 7 is 14. So the perimeter here is 20. Okay. So if someone gives you a rectangle and say, oh, the width is 3 the length is 7, then you know that P, the perimeter, is 20. Okay, so let's give you another example. Let's say a rectangle here. This is 5, and this is 8. Okay, so basically L here is 8, and W here is 5. Now we know the formula for the perimeter. Perimeter equals 2W plus 2L. Okay, so you can imagine it as like this: P equals 2 and then times whatever W is plus 2L. Okay, what's L? Well, L is this length here, 8. Okay, so put the 8 into that thing there. So 8 here, and then put, well, this is W. Okay, remember this is 2 times W. Well, W is 5. So put the 5 into that into here. So now, so when two things are next to each other, it basically means times. So this bit here will be 10, and then this bit here will be 16. So the perimeter is 26. So if you go back to here, then you can write P equals 26. Okay. Yeah. Okay.